Okay, so we got my water softener system, and it hasn't worked in a while. And I just took this top off, and there's a little screen in there. And looking at this screen, I mean, it's pretty clogged up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and take a toothbrush and clean the screen out from all the sediment. You can see it goes right in there. So that's one of the first places we're gonna check and clean out if there's any sediment. Clean all the sediment off of there. You can tell there was a ton of it on there. Look at that. All right, so now you can see that's nice and clean again. So we may get lucky, and this may be the only problem that we had there. So what I want to do, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in there. Sits in there just like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the cover back on. Now, oh, almost lost it. Goes on there. That one goes there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and tighten them back up. Alright, so that's back on there. Next thing we want to check is right here. And this should pop up. There we go, it came out. Now we should be able to pull this out. Yep, still got water in it. Alright, so now take a look in there, and that doesn't look like there's anything in there. Looks like it's clogged. Then you want to check the hole. Hole actually looks pretty good. Normally you'd see sediment inside that hole there blocking it, so we can go ahead and put this back in. And then put the holder back in, push it down all the way, and now it's on there tight. Okay, so next thing we want to check, this line here. doesn't look like it's clogged. And we want to check. And that looks okay too. Let's go ahead and put that back on. Alright. So the last thing we want to check, we want to take these two screws out. And we'll check the lines here, see if there's any clogging in there. And just like this one, there's going to be another one there. It's bigger. We're going to go ahead and lift that up, disconnect it. But looking at these lines, you could tell this one's got a ton of buildup in it. So we're probably gonna have to flush this system. And you can see all this coming out. Look at that, that's calcium buildup. You can even see on the back side, that was the one that connected to it with all the calcium in it. And you can see all the calcium buildup in there. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that plug back in. And let's go ahead and reconnect this whole thing. So those two screws are back on now. This whole system's back together. We checked all the ports. Let's go ahead and see if she fires up. So we're gonna turn the water back on. You can hear it rushing through there. And right now we're on bypass, so it's coming right up through and then going right in there. But we're gonna go ahead and turn the water system on. And you can hear it. Ooh, yeah, you can hear that going all the way through there. And always check for leaks. Nothing's leaking. So. Let's take this top off. Let's go ahead and run the water. Turn our system back on here. Hear everything turn on. Let's run the water. Oh, you hear it. So hope you guys like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.